Good day. Here is the part 1 list of commonly used adjectives. In order to have a good practice, kindly record while reading the adjective loud and clear. This program is brought to you by iVolunteer for Filipino Children. By the way, adjective is a word that describes a noun. In this video, we would like to hear from Joseph of Valencia, Bukidnon, Mindanao. Take it away, Joseph!
Adjectives, Part 1. Good. Courageous. Adventurous.
Cooperative. Cooperative.
Alert. Aggressive. First. Last. Long. Great. Little. Own. Other. Old. Right. Big. High. Different. Small. Large. Next.
Next.
Early. Young. Few. Public. Bad. Same. Adorable.
Amiable. Amiable.
Amused. Pleasing. Appetizing. Average. Beautiful. Exasperated. Blushing. Bored. Brave. Bright. Dim. Broad. Bulky.
Bulky.
Burly. Charming. Graceful. Cheerful. Glorious. Careful. Grieving. Handsome. Lovely. Lonely. Lively. Lucky. Large. Huge. Salty. Round. Sarcastic. Nervous. Naughty. Simple. Nasty. Appealing. Chubby.
Chubby.
clear, clean, lean, cloudy, clueless, clumsy, cool, creepy, crooked, boiling, cumbersome, curved, cynical, dangerous, daring, delicious, disturbed, dreadful, dizzy, dull, drained, adorable, deceitful, dashing, decayed, deep, boastful, helpless, helpful, hungry, hollow.
Watch our part 2 of the list of adjectives. Inaanyayahan ko ang mga kabataan na gustong sumali sa libreng tutorial ng IVFC. Sali lang po kayo from Mondays to Saturdays. See you there!